Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful and handy organizer where you can keep your various craft materials and projects. For that, we need this type of boxes. And first of all, I have cut the box into 4 pieces, two in size 8.5 into 5 inches and the other two in size 9.5 into 5 inches. So I will join them through their corner using a hot glue gun. So I have taken a 9.5 inch piece and connected it to an 8.5 inch piece, and then again a 9.5 inch piece, and finally an 8.5 inch piece. So I've joined them through corners to make a box shape. And after joining this last piece, I will cut another piece for the base to complete this box shape. And here I have taken this piece of size 9.5 into 8.5 inches, and I will apply hot glue on each of these 4 sides, and then I will take that piece and I will press it against these sides to glue it. So that's how our box shape is ready, and I will cover it from the outside with a colored pink paper that is actually a chart, and I've used white glue and brush. Now I will show you how I have used this white glue and brush to cover it. So I normally take equal amount of white glue and water, and I mix it, and then I apply it with the brush, and then I take the piece of paper and just glue it. I just paste it. That's how you cover it. Now for the inside, you can also use the same method which I have used for the outside covering, but here I'm using the poster color, and by applying poster color through the brush, I'm coloring it on the inner side. So after completing its color, I will make 2 more boxes exactly similar in shape and size. And for the handle part, I have used cords to make a 5-stranded braid. I will show the link of how to make this braid here. And after braiding, I have made knots and just cut 3 of the strands on each side. So I have left with only 2 strands on each side, and now this is a piece. I am punching it, and I will locate exactly similar points on the main box piece, and I will also punch these 2 marked points, and then I will pass the strands of this braid through these holes. So I will pass these 2 strands through one hole, and the other 2 strands are the other end through this second hole. And after passing on the inner side, I will make some knots, and after making 2 or 3 knots on the inner side, I will then glue them. These remaining pieces should be hidden through the hot glue. Keep in mind, don't cut these free ends, just glue them as I'm doing, because this will not only secure them but also give stability to the handle and strength to the handle. And whenever you will use this handle to pull the drawer, it will not be damaged. Now I'm using that piece again. I'm applying hot glue on the inner side and I'm just pasting it on the glued strands to hide them. So this is ready. Now take a cardboard piece of size 17 into 10 inches and I have glued three pieces each of size 5.5 into 10 inches on one side, and I have left a space of 5 millimeter between each of them. Similarly, I have made two more pieces each of size 17 into 9 inches, and on the inner side I have repeated the same process. I have made three pieces of size 5.5 into 9 inches and I have left the space of 5 millimeter in each of them, and now I will just color them using the poster color and brush. And this will be the inner side of the main compartment, and I will color the inner side of each of these three pieces one by one. So as you can see, I have colored them, and now I will take the larger piece that is of the size 17 into 10 inch and I will place it in the middle, and I will glue the remaining two on its left and right side vertically. And after gluing them, I will use a paper strip of width 2 inches on the joints on the inner side as well as on these parts, and I have glued them using the white glue, and then I will color it. This will give the stability. Now I am taking these two pieces in size 10.5 into 9 inches. I have already covered them with strip on one side, and there are other two pieces in size 11 into 9 inches which I will be using on the upper and lower part here. Now here I am taking the first two pieces which were of size 10.5 into 9 inches, and I have already colored them on both the sides. Now I apply hot glue on these 5 millimeter space which I left, and I will be pressing them to glue them exactly. And now I will apply glue here and join these pieces together. Now you can see why I left spaces here. That was because of these pieces to join them perfectly. Now keep in mind the strips should be on this outer side. Now I will apply hot glue on the left side as well, and then I will glue these pieces together as well. Now I will join the upper and lower pieces. I have painted them from one side which will go inside, and I will apply hot glue, and then I will simply press it against the main piece. And in the same way I will join the last piece on the uppermost point, and I will keep this side outward and the painted side inward. Apply hot glue and simply press it. And finally I will cover the outer side using the colored chart and white glue with brush. So here it is. So our organizer is ready. Now I will just simply put the drawers into each compartment. And this is the tried and tested method of making a perfect organizer. I have already made this type of organizer more than 3 years ago, and it is still working best. So I hope you will like the video, and if you do, please give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and keep it to all so that you may never miss my coming notifications. And now I will give you a glimpse of my old organizer, which is bigger than this pink one, and it is working perfectly after 3 years. And here I have put my craft materials into my new organizer, and you can see it is perfect.